Whew, okay, this is video number 4 in the 5-video mini marathon subscription box, Saturday for December the 4th, 2021. So I hope you enjoy this one. Well, it's Battlebox time again. Actually, it's way past time for this Battlebox because this is Mission 80, which is about a 2-month-old box, but that's what we're going to take a look at coming up next here on Survival on Purpose. Welcome back to Survival on Purpose, your home for trustworthy information and gear reviews related to camping, survival, and general preparedness for regular folks. My name's Brian. Thanks for joining me, and the folks at Battlebox were kind enough to send me every month for the last few years one of their boxes so I can show it to you, give you an idea of what you could expect from Battlebox, because they are a mystery box. So that means that you give them some money and every month they'll send you a box. The more money you give them, the more stuff they'll send you. And what I try to do with these videos is just give you an example of what you might could expect, so you can make an informed decision whether or not this is something you might be interested in. If you are interested in it, I got good news. They just sent me an email last week that they have increased the discount for the viewers of this channel from 10% to 15%. So you can save 15% on your first box, your first order, by using the coupon code Survival on Purpose, all one word. So that's pretty cool. Another 5%. You know, who can complain about that? Am I centered in the screen now? Okay, anyway, so without further ado, let's just see what's in Mission 80. I usually say this month's box, but this is like last month's box. So first of all, there's a mission brief in here that kind of tells you what all's in the box. So it's you know, got the description of it, and generally gives you the suggested retail price, so manufacturer's suggested price. So we'll just start with the first item that's on the list, and it's a really cool item. I've had one of these before. I think they work really well. It's called a Hero Clip. It's a really cool clip. Let me see if I can get this thing out of here since we're so late. The least I can do is just show you what we got here, right? Show you how this stuff works. By golly, they don't want you stealing this sucker, do they? Ow. Don't stab your finger on camera, your hand, Brian. That's not good. Okay, so we got it out. It's a cool clip. It's a carabiner here. It's got this clip hook up here. You can hook it on stuff. It twists around. It moves around. It's really cool. It allows you to hang stuff anywhere you want to hang it. So which is pretty cool there. So that's the Hero Clip. This thing has a $21.95 value. I think it's pretty cool, to be honest with you. So there's that. Put that out of the way. The next item is another pretty cool deal here. Actually, it's a Human Gear Stack. Let's see if I can open this thing up. So this is pretty cool. It's just a helps you organize little stuff, whether it's food or pills or whatever. And it's this cool little stacking thing here, and they screw on there the little plastic jars, and they all connect together, which is pretty cool. They got little just quarter turn and different sizes. That's pretty cool. So for camping, for your camping kit, you could put all spices and different things in there. You got small parts or anything that you work with, gun parts or anything like that, you could put them in there. Just pretty cool idea there. That's called the Human Gear Stacks, and they have a $14.95 value on that. There's that. The next item in the, by the way, I didn't tell you, this is the basic box. You probably knew that already, but there's 4 levels of Battlebox subscription. At each level, you pay a little more money, you get a little more stuff. This is the basic box, and so the next item in this basic box is this Fire Dragon, and these are eco-friendly, clean fire lighters. They're made from sustainable sources, not a fossil fuel. Mostly they're using alcohol in this, and they're just little blocks, kind of like you would put in a one of those little survival stoves, or kind of like wet fires or something like that. There's a whole pack of these. There are, let's see, 12 big blocks in here, and the price on these is $12. So that's everything in the basic box in Mission 80. The next level in Mission 80 is the advanced box, and at the advanced box, you got, you guessed it, everything in the basic box plus some more stuff. So these boxes are cumulative. And let's see where that is. That's the Warpath Blades Kitchi, K-I-T-C-H-I. And I got to have a knife to open the knife. So we'll grab the old Emerson CQC7. And let's see. Open that sucker up there. Open that sucker up there. Come on now. Oh, wow, look at this. Pretty cool. It's a little fixed blade knife. It's a 3 1/8 inch 1095 high carbon steel drop point blade. Pretty nice. It's about the size of, maybe a little bigger than an Essie Azula, but nice little Kydex sheath with a little clip on back of it, and they're giving this a $49.95 value. It is a G10 handle scales, injection molded sheath with a metal clip. The sheath is not super secure, but you could probably fix that with a little heat gun. And it said they had 4 different colors available of this: red, gray, green, or brown. And we got the blue. I don't know. I guess this is the gray. It looks blue to me, but who knows? I always have trouble with that. And Kichi is a Native American for brave. Now, when they say something like that, I really don't think there's like a Native American language. I think there may be a bunch of different Native American languages. So I'm not sure what language that is, but you know, everybody wants to they want to use stuff like that. So anyway, just telling how, you know, just being honest with you, I don't think there's such a thing as a Native American language, or the Native American language. How about that? Anyway, that's the advanced box. And the next level is the Pro box. Again, everything in the advanced box plus some more stuff. This month, the more stuff is this really cool Kali Aloha Big Kahuna compression sack. And I'm just going to get this thing out of here to show you because it's a big one. This thing is wow. It holds up to 6 to 8 pillows or 3 to 4 sleeping bags, or 4 pillows and 4 blankets. And it's 3 pillows and 3 sleeping bags. So let's see, man, look at, so it's got a shoulder strap with it. Bam. This sucker, wow, okay. Can you see me now? Look how big this thing is. It's like, wow. Okay, it's a big old house, and basically you can wrap stuff up in this and squeeze it down and compress it. And and it's got it's also got shoulder straps on it, so once you get it compressed, you can carry it like a backpack, or you can carry it like a duffel bag. So this has a $69.99 value. So that brings us to the Pro Plus box, and the Pro Plus box, sometimes called the Knife of the Month Club. And at that level, you get everything in the previous levels plus some more stuff. This month, the more stuff is something from the folks at Dead Fish. And let me see if I can get this out of here because I think it's going to be pretty cool. I've seen some other Dead Fish stuff before over the years on Battlebox. And a lot of times it is kitchen related. But whoa, would you look at this? Okay. I don't know exactly what this is so far, but it looks pretty cool. But this is a Dead Fish Company cleaver. Look at this. Here we go. You know I'm going to like this, don't you? I mean, you just know it. I'm trying to get this out of here without cutting my hand, though, because it looks like it could cut you. Lord have mercy. Oh, my goodness. Would you look at that? Let me see that. You know I got to do the redneck sharp test. Okay. There's some hair on there. Okay, so that's a cleaver. It is it's 1.4116 carbon stainless steel. I don't know what that means, but it's a cleaver. It's got a nice wooden handle, nice leather sheath, and it's got a $79.99 value. So that's pretty cool. So there's that, and that is the Battlebox Mission 80. Pretty cool stuff in there. I always try to, at least I've been trying to pick out 1 or 2 items I think are really, really cool. My favorite items from these boxes. And I got to say, I really like the Hero Clip. These things come in so handy. I've got a couple of these already. They're just great for hanging stuff around because they're so versatile. And you knew it was coming, don't you? I mean, who wouldn't like this, right? This is so cool. All right, that's it. That's Battlebox Mission 80. Thanks again to the folks at Battlebox for sending me these every month so I can show them to you. So anyway, that's it. Thanks again for watching Survival on Purpose. Remember, survival's not an accident, so be prepared. I'll see you next time. Okay, that was video number 4 for the 5-video mini marathon series here, the subscription box Saturday. I thought it'd be something different to do. Finally, we got one more video in the series coming up. That's going to be Battlebox Mission 81. That's what's coming up next. So there'll be a link in the video description below if it doesn't show up on your screen right now.